Hi, welcome to a video to help you prepare for plank. So we're going to start in seated and have your hands on your knees, and you're just going to push the base of your palms into your legs as you stretch the fingers out, pressing, letting your shoulders drop and breathing. Look up and then bring the fingers down. Let's do that one more time, pressing them together, letting the fingers come apart and away from each other, pressing those palms together and breathing. And let that go and come all the way down to your plank position. And just start by lying on the floor, so you don't have to do much, but begin with hands to either side, and you're just gonna push a little bit from one side to the other. So you're pushing from one side to the other, and you can have your head down. Try it with your head down if you can. And just push a little more each time. See if you can straighten the arm. And then have your toes in standing. So your toes will be in standing too. And now go ahead and push up to plank and see how that is. I hope you improved your plank. Maybe try one more, down and up, finding your plank. Thank you for joining me.